Hi, this is Kelly, and I would like to introduce you to the Treasure Blend Journal. Each book is a repurposed book. This book is 7.5 by 5.5. It's about 1.25 inches thick. It has got beautiful spine jewelry in it, on it, spine jewelry on it. It does come off. Each book is 80 pages. So here is our spine jewelry, and you will see that it has a little blend fairy for you, and then it also has some other beads. This has got a lava bead on the bottom so that you can take and you can put your oils on it, maybe your favorite oil or oil that inspires you. It has other different strings on it so that you can attach different things that you like. I've attached some little buttons just to remind you that you can sew this up with no problem at all, right? So, and then it also has a beautiful stone for inspiration on it. So that is the spinal jewelry, and it does come off. This is a pearl right here, and it just hooks on just like that. So when it sits on your bookcase, it looks beautiful, right? Just like this. But you can take it off if it's not your deal, okay? Take that off like that. Each book comes with a tie. Again, you can use whatever you want. You can use this. It does have charms on it, little leaf charms on it. Just take that off and put it over to the side. You'll see the Spirit Sisters insignia, circa 2020. All the papers in here are hand dyed. This is a botanical page that we did. Each book is all put together with the papers in it. Coffee dyed papers, avocado dyed papers, and then all kinds of little tucks in here. Not a lot, because we want to give you plenty of space to write. So this one is just tucked in there like that. And it's writing cards, so you can write on either one. Right? You might want to use that for a book plate. You can glue it in or just keep it tucked in like that, whichever you prefer. Lots of writing space in here. And then this is a waterfall here. It's what they call it, a waterfall notebook. And you can also write all kinds of different things on there. Right? All your recipes. More botanical paper. Beautiful botanical paper. Some little charms. Coffee dyed paper. And then here's another tuck. Don't know if you can see that or not. I'm going to kind of bring it closer to you. There's a beautiful fuchsia that has been dyed on there. This is more coffee dyed paper, and it's a notebook for you so that you can write your notes on it, your recipes, your favorite recipes, right? Lots of writing paper, and I know that this is going to be kind of harder to write on, but I thought maybe if you went somewhere and you got a favorite recipe that you wanted to glue in here, you could glue that in here as well. But these are all coffee dye papers, and they're just beautiful. And then this one is another echo dye paper, and these are all done by me. Yay! A dictionary page, just because it's fun. More echo dye paper. This one is actually avocado dyed first, and then it is echo dyed. So you can see, maybe you can see the pictures of the maple leaves on there. Right? It's got all kinds of different textures and stuff to it too. And then this is another page here. Those are all just flowers from my garden. Here's a little notebook. You can write your notes on it. You can write your favorite recipes on it, whatever you want, right? So this is just to show you what kind of things you can add to your books, okay? So, but these do come with the book as well. Coffee dyed paper, more flower paper. Lots of paper to write on. And then this is another tuck. Comes with 2 cards in each side. So you can write your recipes on it. Your favorite recipes. You can also add more to it because these are nice envelopes that can be expanded and put a lot more in there. But maybe you want to write, you know, you have different blends that you need to put away, right? More paper. This is one of my favorite pages. I'm going to kind of hold it up so you can see it. It's kind of a crazy page, and it's one that I did dye, and I love it because sometimes, you know, you have your favorite recipes and you just want to get creative on a page and be able to write them in all different little spots. Maybe Melissa is your favorite oil and you have a favorite recipe with Melissa, but Melissa you're not going to use a lot of, so you're going to sneak it up here, right? That would be what I would do. More papers. Lots of pages in here to be able to do your own thing. And then here's another little tuck that we did. And it's got 3 different cards that you can write on both front and back. You don't have to keep these in here. If you'd rather use something else, you can put something else in there, of course. This is your book, and it's going to be your own style. And then we have this little envelope right here. And this guy opens up, right? And this might be a favorite quote that you like that inspires you. And more coffee dyed and more botanical paper. This is another one of my favorites. And this was actually scanned and printed because it's absolutely beautiful. So this page here, the pages that are in here that are the echo dyed are all scanned and printed and will be in each book. I have 4 books right now that are available. So you'll get the same pages in there. The coffee dyed papers and avocado dyed papers are different, but the botanical pages like this will be the same. Okay, and each book comes with a note card. Where's my note card for this one? Huh. Okay, hang on a minute. I know it's here somewhere. Did not get put in there yet. So this is the this is a writing board is what it comes with, and so the writing board is so that you can actually put it behind the page and be able to write. That way it's easier to write on something hard, right? Because that's hard. This is an actual board. It's a board. Okay, so that'll make it easier to write. And then it also comes with, we call these feather markers, and as you can see, I made the material all feathered out, so it looks like little feathers. And so what the feather marker is for is you can put it on a page like this to mark your spot. Okay, and you can do that throughout the book. This way, like that. Okay, and mark your spot. Or if you need to, you can take them off. You can put them at the top. If you're going to put it on a bookcase, of course, you put it at the top, right? Maybe you got a blend that you're working on, right? So you're going to mark that page because you're still working on that blend. Never ever erase a blend, right? So you can put your feather markers like this. You can stagger them however you want. Each book, like I said, comes with 4. And they will be assorted. Just like that. Okay. So here's the feather markers. Here's the beautiful book. Okay. It's all covered. And there are, like I said, there are 4 available right now. Each comes with a spinal jewelry, its own spinal jewelry, and its tie closed, and the writing board. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the different styles. There's this one here. The spinal jewelry fell off of that one, or I didn't attach it well. So there's the spinal jewelry on this one. They're similar but different. Okay, try to use all the colors of the earth, right? Because these are blending books. There's this one, blending book. And they all come with a little thing that says handmade with love, or made with love. Spinal jewelry, and that beautiful book. And then this one here, the black and white book. Again, it has all the same botanical pages. It just has the different, the coffee papers will be unique to each individual book. I hope you like these, and I look forward to doing fabulous, fabulous blends together. Bye.